Today I am going to make a security alarm system using PIR sensor and Arduino. It will detect certain movements in the surroundings that emits a heat signature, and it will turn on itself and turn off after a few times. So let's get to it. Here are the components I am going to be using. Start off by connecting the Arduino Nano to the breadboard. Connect other components as following. Here I am using a LED with 470 ohm resistor to indicate that the relay is turning on and turning off when a motion is detected. I am using an active buzzer for this. You can use a small speaker instead of the buzzer. Connect the sensor ground and plus 5 volt pins to the Arduino ground and VCC pin, and the output pin goes to the digital pin 6. Buzzer positive and negative pins will be connected to the Arduino ground and digital pin 3. Relay positive and negative pins will be connected to the Arduino VCC and ground, and the relay input pin will be connected to the Arduino digital pin 8. Now we can move on to the coding part. Here I have mentioned the pins from the PIR sensor to the Arduino. Here you can see the variables for the IR sensor, the relay and the buzzer. Here I have set the inputs and the outputs. This part of the code detects any signal from the PIR sensor and turn on the relay and the buzzer. You can turn on the serial monitor and see whether any motion is detected or not. Before uploading, check the board and the port is selected correctly. I'll place a link to the code in the description down below. You can connect a light bulb to the relay and it will turn on when a motion is detected. Here I am connecting a 12 volt battery to the V-in pin of the Arduino and ground. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.